Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Raghuveer Vedala. I'm a family physician working at OU Health Services Family Medicine Clinic here at the OU Health Science Center in Oklahoma City, where I see patients in both the hospital and clinical setting, as well as getting to work with and teach the family medicine residents and the medical students on campus. I recently got my COVID-19 vaccination. I gotta say, it's such an honor and privilege to be able to be one of the first to get the vaccine and to be able to share that experience with all of you. Personally, getting that shot was a little bit, it was both exciting and I was also a little anxious. So both at the same time. I think some level of anxiety is natural when you don't really know what to expect. But anyways, I got the Pfizer vaccine. It was the first vaccine to be approved by the FDA. It's a 2-series vaccine. You get the first shot, wait about 3 weeks, and get the second dose. Now, getting the vaccine itself, it's not any more painful than getting your flu shot, maybe a tiny bit more painful. But after getting the shot, they make you wait 15 minutes to make sure you're not having any immediate allergic reactions and then send you on your way. When it comes to the side effects, I began tracking my side effects immediately after getting the shot, and I was making personal updates on my own Instagram and answering questions. But now you have to remember that the side effects that occur with the vaccine or any other vaccination, for example, the flu, is actually your body reacting to the foreign material, that is the vaccine, and triggering an immune response, right? So your body has to process the foreign material in order to build immunity, and that can sometimes make you feel a little crummy. But remember that the Pfizer vaccine and also the newly approved Moderna vaccine are both mRNA vaccines, so you're not getting any live virus, only viral protein. So coming back to the side effects, the main side effect that I had and a lot of my colleagues who received the vaccine as well mentioned was pain at the injection site. So after getting the vaccine, I didn't notice anything immediately, but when I got home a couple of hours later, I had some soreness and some pain at that injection site. But that went away about day 3 after getting the vaccine. So I was back to normal. I got it on Thursday, and it was back to normal on Sunday and completely gone by Monday. In addition to that, I personally had a little bit of fatigue, so I was tired that evening of getting the vaccine, and then I slept it off and felt better the next morning and went back to work. And I had a very mild headache on day 2 and day 3 after the vaccine, which went away with a little bit of coffee and 200 milligrams of ibuprofen. By Sunday, I had no more side effects. So what I'm mostly excited about this vaccine is the potential for it. And it comes back to that concept of herd immunity. So what herd immunity or population immunity, what that means is that if enough of the population gets vaccinated, the likelihood of the disease to spread decreases. So you can create this sort of net of protection to the whole community, not just the people who are vaccinated, right? This is where vaccination becomes key. So if you're still unsure about getting this vaccine, I say keep asking questions. That's great. There's nothing wrong with that. It's really important to stay informed on both the pros and the cons of any treatment, really, not just vaccinations. And it's great that you're asking questions about adverse reactions and allergic reactions. But I recommend that you also, ask questions about how this can help people around you, right? So going back to that concept of herd immunity, you want to think about your family, your friends, your neighbors, for those of you working in the healthcare field, your patients. And I keep quoting Lord of the Rings to get my point across here, but it's the small things, right? The everyday deeds by ordinary folk that keep the darkness at bay. So this vaccine can actually be one of those small deeds that makes a very large impact. Keep asking those good questions, and when it's available to you, get vaccinated. Thank you.